Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is Joseph Kim and welcome to Joseph's Beginner Korean class. Today we are going to learn expressions related to real estate from the previous class. But today's expressions are somewhat different from the previous class, okay? You will get to know what this is, okay? So first one, smoking is prohibited in all units. Wow, okay. So if you come to Korea, then you're about to live in the units, okay? The studios, right? Studio or units. In Korea, we say one room, okay? One room. One room is it's like a house, but just only one room, one toilet, one kitchen. That's it. That's one room. So room and toilet, restroom, and kitchen are all equipped in one big room. Okay, so the one room has been designed for one person. Okay, it's not for couple or no other family, just one person. That's one room. So in English, you guys don't have an expression one room, right? Rather, you say studio or unit. So unit, you can understand that that's in Korea, units. In Korea, we say one room, okay? One room is unit or studio, okay? So, smoking is prohibited in all units. How do you say in Korean? 모든 방에서는 흡연이 금지되어 있어요. 모든 방에서는 흡연이 금지되어 있어요. 모든 방에서는 흡연이 금지되어 있어요. 모든 means all or every. 방 originally means room, but units, one room, is like a house, but it's house but designed like room for one person. So 모든 방에서는 is equivalently means, it also means all houses, okay? So 모든 방에서는 흡연, smoking, 금지 means prohibited, 금지되어 있어요. So 모든 방에서는, which means all units, 흡연이, smoking, 금지되어 있어요, prohibited. So 모든 방에서는 흡연이 금지되어 있어요. 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 Perfect. Second one, you cannot invite friends in any circumstances. You cannot invite friends in any circumstances. Wow, this is not good. But if you met owner of the apartment or units who are very tricky, not each person, okay, they will ask you this. Someone else. Not many, but somebody. You cannot invite any friends. You have to leave yourself. You are not allowed to make noises, like something like that. You cannot have a party here, okay? Something like that, okay? So you cannot invite friends in any circumstances. How do you say in Korean? 어떤 상황에서도 친구를 부르면 안 돼요. 어떤 상황에서도 친구를 부르면 안 돼요. 어떤 상황에서도 친구를 부르면 안 돼요. 어떤 상황에서도 you can memorize as a whole, as a chunk. 어떤 상황에서도 means in any circumstances. 친구 means friend. 부르면 invite. 안 돼요. You cannot. So, you cannot invite friends in any circumstances. How do you say in Korean? 어떤 상황에서도 친구를 부르면 안 돼요. 어떤 상황에서도 친구를 부르면 안 돼요. One more time. 어떤 상황에서도 친구를 부르면 안 돼요. Alright. Last one. Okay. My friend has been evicted from the house. Oh my God. He has been smoking. He invited friends every night. So the owner of the unit said, get out. Get out from my house. You are not allowed to live here. Get out. I'll give you a bond. Okay? I'll give you a bond back. So get out. From next month, get out. Or something like that. So evicted. Alright? So how do you say in Korean? 제 친구는 집에서 쫓겨났어요. 제 친구는 집에서 쫓겨났어요. Okay. 쫓겨났어요. 쫓겨났어요 means evicted. Evicted. So my friend has been evicted from the house. What is it? My friend has been evicted from the house. My friend has been evicted from the house. Evicted. 쫓겨났어요. 쫓겨났어. You are married. You are married. Suppose that you are married. Then you had a fight. Suppose you are husband, but you had a fight with your wife. Then your wife said, "Get out, get out from my house." Then you are 쫓겨났어요. 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 So 제 친구는 집에서 쫓겨났어요. 제 친구는 my friend 집에서 from the house 쫓겨났어요. Evicted. Okay, very easy. Just keep practicing it and memorize it. All right. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.